Good afternoon. Welcome, everybody. This is Adrienne Montgomery with Mindover Software. I am delighted today to introduce Derek Wildhar from Sage Software. He will be providing an abbreviated version of our 5.6, Accpac 5.6, what's new in Accpac 5.6 that we recorded on April 22nd of 2010. And we're having a series of these webinars, and they're all pre-recorded, the ones that we've had so far in 2010. And we hope to see you either join us for a pre-recorded webinar or for our upcoming webinars. And you can find a listing of these webinars on mindovercorp.com. And we'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Enjoy the webinar.
All right, thank you, Adrienne. Thanks for the introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. Again, my name is Derek Wildhar, and I'm going to be going through what's new or some of the new features that we've added in Accpac 5.6. Just before I really get into the features themselves and show you what the features look like, let me tell you a bit about how we got some of those features together. One of the things we did was we looked at what you, our customers, were looking for. So we actually polled our customers through surveys, through direct input through our website, and kind of gathered a list of all the top features that you, the customers, were looking for. And charge, add that in. And as I'm going through, I can go ahead and add in the amount. So there's a $10 bank service charge. Allows me to add that.
Thank you for joining us this afternoon for that brief overview of a webinar that we recorded regarding Accpac 5.6, what's new and improved. And would encourage you to join us at mindovercorp.com for a complete listing of webinars that we have on the horizon and that we have had. And my name is Adrienne Montgomery from Mindover Software. Please give me a call at 512-990-3994, extension 326. I'd love to talk to you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.